Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Roblox is not launching on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Roblox in the Windows search bar and then go to app settings in the right pane. Okay, wait till it loads. Now scroll down and select terminate to terminate the process and then repair it. Wait till you get a a tick mark here. If that helps, well and good. If not, then straight away reset it. So repairing and resetting are two options that can be worthy in fixing your problem. But if that doesn't help either, we have already reset the settings, we have repaired the files, and if that doesn't help, then the only option is to uninstall it. I'll tell you what to do next. Make sure that it's uninstalled, then search for store in the Windows search bar and go to the Microsoft Store. Now search for Roblox and then go to the Roblox game and then click on install and install it from the Microsoft Store. Now I'll tell you why installing from the Microsoft Store can make it work, because it will check for the dependencies and everything. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.